Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the X Terra Pro and fitting the coil. Make sure the battery shows full or near full charge. Once the coil is attached, align the cable neatly and tighten the clamp. This stops chatter and false signals. Next, set mode to all metal for quick ground balance, since that tells you how the detector senses mineralization, or choose coin to skip junk. Once done, lower sensitivity slightly to avoid overload near hot ground so you get clean initial readings. Now you refine how the X Terra Pro hears targets. You ground balance by slowly raising then lowering the coil until the display settles. This removes mineral noise and sharpens target ID. After that, increase sensitivity stepwise until you notice faint chatter, then back it off one step, because stability matters more than max depth. Finally, tune discrimination so you keep desirable targets, like coins and relics, while rejecting iron or aluminum. This improves recovery rate and you'll dig less trash. Finish a search pass with controlled, overlapping sweeps. You want the coil about 1 to 2 inches above the ground and moving at a steady pace so targets register cleanly. When you hear a promising tone, pause, mark the spot, then use a small probe to confirm before digging. This avoids unnecessary holes. If you get constant false signals, stop and check the coil cable for nicks, redite in connectors, and reduce sensitivity by 10 to 20%. That usually cures chatter and over.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.